Alright guys, Ecology here. Today we're replacing the rear door actuator on a 2005 Cadillac. It'll be the same on a 2005 Tahoe or Yukon or whatever. Everything I've read says the back seat needs to come out, but my children have put some hard plastic Legos under the releases, and I don't have the time at the moment to try to dig them all out and get it out. So we're going to try to get this off without removing the third row of seats. So we'll start with we have plastic removal tool that come out of there. Basically you take this up under it and pop it off. That's what come out of there. And screw from right there. And this is a 7mm bolt. So we're going to go piece by piece. I haven't done this before, but I'm going to take off as little as possible to get to it, replace the actuator, and get hot and cold working back like it's supposed to. So I'm going to remove this and we'll go from there. Alright, what I'm doing right now is removing the top plate here on the back tailgate, and that way I can get the side off right here, and hopefully when we get from here it'll open up kind of more of what I need to get off minimally to get to that actuator door. Okay, this is not going to be easy, but it might be possible. So I took that 7mm screw out there, took my plastic clips, popped this off. You can see you got to get the behind it. You got to pop this off, this side piece over here by the back door, to get the center panel off. And see, I've popped the center panel off. I didn't take that off because that's connected. I don't want to break the clip. But there's the actuator. So I'm going to try to finagle a little bit and see if I can't get a bolt, my hands down there to replace it, and avoid having to take this whole back piece off without having to take the back seat out. So we'll see how it goes. Be back in a sec. Here's the 12-volt right there, and that's a little clip. Stick a little piece in it, unclip it, and then this whole piece should come out without having to remove the back seat. So I'm going to undo the 12-volt clip and show you how I did it, and hopefully that'll work. Alright, I unclipped the 12-volt. As you can see, it's coming out. I'm going to get this out, and then I'll show you what I did on the 12-volt connector. Alright, voila. Took about 30 seconds. As Han Solo says, never tell me the odds. So there's your connector right there. Dropped. This blue connector was around it. I just got my little plastic tool, pried one side off. It was in like this. So I popped one side up and popped the other side up. It fell off down to where I just had to get it from. And then this had another clip right there. Let's put that right there. See that clip right there? I just had to put my screwdriver in and push to get the remainder of it out, and it come out. And there we are. Here is the blend door actuator for the hot and cold, and there is the blend door actuator for the top and bottom. Same part, same. You can replace both of them at the same time. If I was been halfway smart, I would have went ahead and done that, but I didn't. So alas, I'll be doing this again sometime. So that's it. Let me find my tools and then we'll get started. just unplugged that. Let me plug that back in. This one was very easy. See, it's tight right now. Really, the button pulls right off. Easiest connector on this truck thus far, I think. Top and bottom, 7mm. There it fell. This one, my finger. Excuse me for a second while I grab the other one before I lose it, because I will lose it. And this. Oh, excuse me, there's a third one. I've been paying attention. I got to change my pieces. It's a little tight. This is why perhaps that rear door or the rear seats would be good if they were going. But like I said, my children have got some kind of Legos down in the mechanisms. And so I've got to take the whole seat. I gotta find some way to get it up. It's got little, there we go. All right. Always heavy one of these puppies. They're like $3 for Harbor Freight. There you go. All right, there it is. Here's a new one. All right. None of the fancy stuff on it, but still. It's got a little head on it that can only go one way. So let's see. There we go. All right, now let me. At the bottom, it's somehow gotten threaded out or threaded on something else. All right. Something I always got to remind myself: do not over tighten. All right. And it is in. All right. Here's where I advise you to always test your equipment before you get started. So I guess I probably should do that. So let me go ahead and test, see if we got hot and cold, and I'll be right back. Got the air conditioner on. We got it in. I decided to go ahead and move the old one back to the hot cold, put the new one up here where the high-low is, because if I get my seats fixed, then the back one will be easier to get to than the front one. So I decided to go ahead and save myself some work in the future. Other than that, hot cold's working. We're back to 100%. So now it's time to put it all back together.